people have a hard time articulating why they're a value contractor or whatever it is, right?
Your lack of differentiation on proposals and pursuits is why the industry is crippled by a low bid mentality. When every contractor looks and sounds the same, the only thing that is different is your price. Our job is to educate a prospective client on why we're the safest bet. We need to arm selection committee members with ammo to fight for us. They need to be able to vouch for picking you to their boss, board, or constituents. In the end, our prospects need to be able to confidently say, we picked this construction company because of X, Y, and Z. Or their safest best bet is to say, we picked the cheapest option. In other words, if you don't like low bid, well then help people understand why it is better not to go with that low bid. Educate.
The value that you bring to the table.
Yeah, like
it's value-based pricing versus just like lowest, right?
I will say this, and I hope I'm capturing the heart of this.
Yeah.
Looking at it from the standpoint of like, how do we win work?
Mm-hmm.
Something we all are trying to do. When I hear people say, oh, we're a value, we're a value, I think that's overdone.
Yeah. Yeah. I can agree with that.
This is much different than just showing up and saying, well, no, we bring value. A lot of people say that and they just pump their numbers.
Mm-hmm.
No, what value do you bring and how do you bring it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Define it. Define on your proposal. Like maybe, and even in the presentation of the proposal, making that presentation so heads and tails better than the people around you. There's no doubt, like you're showing more. And it's not the way you show it, it's what you say. It's the substance of your presentation, not the flash.
Yeah.
And I think if you're bringing substance and showing how that value is there, then yeah, you are making that easier.
It is hard to articulate, but take the time to think through that. Like, who are the people that you have in place that bring value to the client? Like, what is their background? What is their resume? What context do they have?
Yeah, pulling off the ACOM stuff a little bit.
Right. Yeah. What context do these people?
Spoke to that.
That's an area that I don't think a lot of contractors will go into. They'll just say, we're value because of this piece of technology. Okay. Like, maybe, but like, I need better quantification than that.
Sure.
Not just because you say so.
You saying your value.
That's the difference maker, is that if you say your value and you can show, like say your value, that's no good. Say that you are valuable, that's no good. If you can say it and then show it.
Show me your value.
That's it.
That's it.
That's where you gotta be. Love it.